Paper animations are going viral everywhere right now, and nobody is talking about how easy they are to make. 2 free tools. 30 minutes. Here's the exact workflow. Now, before we open any tool, we need to decide what story we want to tell. The paper animation style works for almost any topic, but it shines when the subject has visual depth. History, nature, philosophy, human emotion, mythology. For this tutorial, I chose something I think will genuinely surprise you. We're making a paper animation about the last library of Alexandria.
Okay.
Step 1. Open ChatGPT, and we're going to do 2 things in here. First, we write the script for our paper animation video. Second, we use the master prompt from the description to convert each line of that script into a complete image prompt and video prompt automatically. Open a fresh ChatGPT chat, and let's write our script first. Keep it short, around 60 to 90 seconds of narration, about 8 to 12 sentences. Here's what I asked for our topic. In just a few seconds, here's what ChatGPT produces. Now, this is the part that saves you hours. Open the master prompt from the Google Doc in the description. Copy the entire prompt. All of it. Open a new ChatGPT chat and paste it in. ChatGPT will immediately ask you to provide 1 short sentence. Now copy just the first sentence from our script and paste it here. Watch what happens. ChatGPT automatically generates 2 things, a complete image prompt and a complete video prompt. Both ready to copy directly into Flow AI. 1 sentence in, 2 prompts out. Now repeat this for every sentence in the script. It takes about 10 seconds per sentence. By the time you're done, you have a complete set of 8 image prompts and 8 video prompts. All done. Step 2. Now we go to Flow AI and bring these prompts to life as paper sculpture images. Open a new tab and go to labs.google/fx, completely free with a Google account. Create a new project. Then, go back to ChatGPT, copy your first image prompt, and paste it into Flow AI's prompt box. Here's a key tip that saves you a lot of time. You don't have to wait for one image to finish before starting the next. While Flow AI is generating the first one, go back to ChatGPT, copy prompt 2, and cue it in Flow AI immediately. This way, multiple images generate at the same time. By the time you've pasted all 8, the first few are already done. Flow AI generates 4 variations for every scene. All you do is pick the best one and download it. Okay. Step 3. This is where it becomes something else entirely. We're going back into Flow AI, but now instead of generating images, we're going to animate them. Start a new project and upload the first image you downloaded. Now, here's where you have 2 options. Option 1. Use the specific video prompt that ChatGPT generated for this exact image. That gives you very precise animation control. Option 2. Use the universal video prompt from the Google document. This is the faster option, and it works beautifully for every single image without needing to switch prompts. For speed, use the universal video prompt every time. Paste the universal video prompt alongside your image and hit generate. Then cue the next image and do the same. You can run all 8 at once. The results you have to see to believe. Repeat this process for all 8 images. By the time you come back, you have 8 complete paper animation clips ready to assemble. Before we move to editing, there's one more thing I have to show you. You can take any existing image, a photo, an illustration, something you generated earlier, even a screenshot, and convert it into paper animation style. Go to the Google Doc and copy the 3rd prompt, the image conversion prompt. Go back to ChatGPT, paste it, and then upload any image you want to transform. ChatGPT analyzes your image and generates a matching paper-style image prompt and a video prompt to animate it, while preserving the original composition entirely. Copy that image prompt into Flow AI or generate image with GPT, animate with the universal video prompt, and in under 3 minutes, any image becomes a paper animation. This means you're not limited to scripts. You can turn your own photos, your travel memories, your artwork, anything, into a paper animation. The creative range is essentially unlimited.
There was once a place where humanity gathered all of its greatest knowledge beneath a single roof, the legendary Library of Alexandria. Its endless shelves held ancient scrolls filled with philosophy, astronomy, medicine, engineering, and discoveries from every corner of the known world. Scholars traveled thousands of miles to unlock the secrets hidden within its towering halls. Every scroll preserved ideas that could outlive kings, empires, and even time itself. Then the fires came, and centuries of human knowledge vanished into smoke. No one knows how many discoveries were lost forever, only that history was changed in a single tragedy. Imagine the medicines never found, the inventions never built, and the futures that disappeared with those burning pages. The Library of Alexandria is gone, but it still reminds us that humanity's greatest treasure has never been gold. It has always been knowledge.
The master prompt and every resource file from this tutorial are completely free in the description below, or comment AI Astria, and I'll send it to you. And if you want more free AI tools and exclusive prompt packs before they go public, join my Telegram. The link is in the description. I drop new finds there every week. If this video helped you, hit subscribe to support the channel. I drop new AI tool tutorials every week. I'll see you in the next one.